Hello. On behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, it is our pleasure to walk you through this video introduction on how to add physical sites to your account using the Revenue Online portal. You can pause or rewind this video at any time to review the information provided. The Colorado Department of Revenue aims to make complex tax information easier to understand to enable accurate and timely tax filings. Although we have done our best to provide accurate and complete tax information, the information is not binding on the Colorado Department of Revenue, nor does it replace, alter, or supersede Colorado law and regulations. We recommend consulting with a tax professional for your specific tax situation. In Colorado, services are generally not subject to sales tax. Tangible personal property is taxable in Colorado. First, you will need to apply for a license. You'll be assigned a number that is 12 digits long. Your Colorado account number or CAN is the first 8 digits. The last 4 digits are your site or branch ID. When adding locations to an existing account, the first 8 digits will not change but the last 4 will. Be sure to display your license in a conspicuous place where the public can see it. A physical location includes a brick-and-mortar store, warehouse, office, or distribution center, or other similar places of business. It is where you have a physical presence. Each location requires a sales tax license. A license fee and application are required for each location. You have to file a sales tax return for each tax period for each physical location, regardless of the amount of sales. In order to do this, you will need to set up your physical locations in Revenue Online. Login credentials are required to add physical sites to your sales tax account. If you have not set up your Revenue Online Access, please see the video, How to Set Up Revenue Online Access, Business Tax Account. Log into Revenue Online by going to Colorado.gov/revenueonline. Then click on the Login button. This is how the home screen will look after you have logged into Revenue Online. Click on the Add or Close Sales Tax Locations link. Click on the Add Physical Location link to add the physical location to your account. Click on the drop-down arrow to select the month/year your sales began and then click the Next button. Manually enter the address of the new physical location. The address will then be verified through the Geographic Information System (GIS) to retrieve the appropriate location code for that site. Once you are finished entering the address, click on the Next button. Displayed is a list of sites you have selected. You will be expected to file for each selected location. Click on the Next button. You are now at the payment screen. If you want to make a payment now, select Yes. If you would like to make a payment at a later time, select No. Your new licenses will not be issued until your license payment has been received. Once you are finished, click on the Submit button. If you selected the Yes option to make a payment, you will be taken to this screen. Select which type of account you will be making the payment from and fill out the rest of the required information. Once you are finished, click on the Submit button. Enter your password and then click on the OK button. This action acts as your electronic signature and will submit your request to the Department of Revenue. Note: please ensure all information is correct before clicking on the OK button. You are now at the confirmation screen. This is a confirmation that your registration has been received. It will also provide you a confirmation number. Click on the OK button. If you did not make a payment at the time of adding your physical site, you will see a balance due when you log into your Revenue Online account. If you need help at any time, you can use any of our additional resources listed. On behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being tax compliant.